Now see here, E is equal to E plus Q minus E minus Q. Here Q by 4 pi epsilon already common is there. I am taking common. Then 1 by x minus a whole square minus 1 by x plus a whole square. How you simplify? Cross multiplication. X plus a whole square minus x minus a whole square divided by x minus a whole square into x plus a whole square. Now see here, E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here a plus b whole square formula I am using and minus a minus b whole square formula. Now see here, this one tricky. In the place of x minus a whole square into x plus a whole square, you can write x minus a into x minus a. Then here x plus a into x plus a. Now see here this one. Now just multiply this term and this term, a plus b into a minus b. What you will get? A square minus b square, one term, and also remaining this one, this term and this term. Same way you will get x square minus a square. Then finally you will get x square minus a square whole square. Right? You substitute here. What is that term? X square minus a square whole square. Now solve. See here, x square is there, here minus a square. It will get cancelled. A square is there, minus a square will come, it will also get cancelled. Here 2ax, minus of minus 2ax, it will become plus 2ax. Finally, you will get E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4ax divided by x square minus a square whole square. Now, see here, if here condition I am applying, if this A means distance from the center of the dipole to the any charge, if this A is very less compared to the x, I am taking the condition if x is very large compared to A, I will neglect, I will take A approximately equal to 0. This is a condition I am applying for a short dipole, means this distance is very small compared to this distance. That's why we will call this short dipole for the A is equal to very less distance. Then you substitute there, you will get E vector will be Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4ax by x power 4, because here we have taken 0. Then x will get cancelled. Then you will get Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 into 2a. In the place of 4a, I am taking 2 into 2a by x cube E vector. Why? Because 2aq, you know, dipole moment. Since p is equal to 2aq, you substitute E is equal to 2p by 4 pi epsilon naught x cube. This is a expression for electric field or electric intensity on the point on a axial line of the electric dipole. E is equal to 2p by 4 pi epsilon naught x cube. This is a magnitude term, because already we have taken all the magnitude term. If you write vector form, what you will get? In vector form, E is equal to 2p by 4 pi epsilon naught x cube, just p cap. This is a vector form of the electric intensity expression at the axial line of a electric dipole. Why? See here, I said before, electric field direction and electric dipole direction will be different. But here, see here, electric dipole direction is this direction from minus q to q, and electric intensity also same direction, because here net charge is there, two charges are there, different electric intensity expressions or electric intensity directions are there, resultant will be same. Both came in terms of the same in the axial line of the electric dipole. This is about the expression.